A lot of people want SPIAs, and they are great, especially when you're looking for a certain period. And sometimes, hey there, I am John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Let's talk about SPIA contracts compared to income riders. I want to share you a real world story of a guy who reached out to me. He's actually looking at 4 SPIA contracts, and he was going to ladder them out, and he was going to spend around $744,000 spread out over 4 contracts that were going to give him $66,000 in guaranteed income. And it was joint income, so it was joint income with him and his wife. So not bad. I mean, great companies, A-rated companies that I work with all the time. And so anyways, we were looking at that, but at the same time, these were laddered out. They had different dates that he was going to take income. He could not change those dates. So if he wanted to change his mind later on, he wouldn't be able to. And he also wanted to see what an income rider would do. So he still wanted the same $66,000 a year. We still want to make sure it was laddered out and it was joint. It had to be exactly the same. It also had to have a cash refund. So, and any fixed index annuity with an income rider will give you a cash refund if you die early before using the money, because whatever money is left in there goes to your beneficiaries. So what I pulled in for him was a $74,000 savings. Crazy. Premium was like what, $688, so $688,000, and he was going to get exactly the same income. He was going to activate the income at the exact same times, and it was going to be joint income. And they're A-rated companies as well that I work with on a regular basis. And they gave him the flexibility to take income early or later and adjust as needed. So, and of course, if he wanted to cancel, he had cash value versus the SPIA, he did not. So yeah, just a lot of good stuff there. And I have to talk about this because a lot of people want SPIAs, and they are great, especially when you're looking for a certain period. And sometimes they will actually pay more than an income rider. But most of the time, the income rider pays more, and especially when you're deferring it out, usually does even way better. So anyways, he's gonna pocket another $74,000 he didn't have to spend and leave that in the market, and he'll get the same income from not spending as much and still with just amazing companies. So anyways, think about that. If you're looking for guaranteed income, first go to my website, johnstevenson.com, look at the income rider calculator, and you'll see what I mean. Because you don't have to take my word for it. You can go there and check out the calculators yourself. They're updated every day. So they get a direct feed from CanX and from Annuity Rate Watch. So there's also a link below this video. You can access my calendar from there as well. We'll get on a Zoom call and I'll show you everything that's available. And we'll figure out a plan just for you. And I'm not gonna hard sell you. Of course, I'd love to sell you an annuity, but that's totally up to you. Really, I'm here to educate and provide as much value as I can. Anyways, hope that helps. When you're looking for guaranteed income, you should have a good company, okay? They should be safe, and you should be able to get that by spending the least amount of premium, okay? You could spend a lot of premium for the same income and unfortunately not know about another option that does not require as much premium and gives you just as much with just as good of a company or even better. Okay, a lot of times guys will sell annuities because they pay them really high commissions, and so they'll look for the ones that pay them the highest commissions and give you a decent payout, but maybe not the highest payout. Okay, so you need to be looking around. You need to do your due diligence, make sure that you're talking to guys like me, or at least looking at guys like me, our calculators, our system, so at least you can find the best one and you can find out whether or not they're blowing smoke or they're sharing what's in your best interest. And in my experience, people are better off looking around and finding everything that's available. So anyways, there you go. I'm off my soapbox. Wanted to just share that with you. I am, little dip there, right above that creek. There's a waterfall. Yeah, you probably can't see it. It's up there. It's beautiful up here. So I'm at Horse Thief Canyon, south of Lake Tahoe in the Sierra Mountains, south of, what's that peak called? Job's Peak. And this is one of my favorite hiking spots. Take my kids up here. And this is where they used to, 100 years ago, they would steal horses on the other side. And then they'd resell them to other immigrants down here. Anyways, I love sharing stories out here. I love talking about real world examples of people that are looking for income, that are looking for guarantees, and looking for someone that they can trust. Because let's be honest, it is hard to find people that are trustworthy. And for me, I don't want you to take my word for it. I really don't. I want you to go find out for yourself. I want you to look at the calculators, and then when you feel comfortable, reach out then, okay? All right, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.